Only after 6 months following the Lok Sabha elections and the 2024 results, the race to lead the India alliance has begun, with Trinamool Congress chief Mamata Banerjee expressing her desire to lead the alliance and Rashtriya Janata Dal claiming the throne for Lalu Prasad Yadav. On 6th December, Banerjee expressed concerns over the India alliance's performance in recent assembly elections and by-polls and said that she is ready to lead the alliance. Interestingly, Banerjee has claimed she is the mastermind behind the formation of the India alliance and the idea of it. She said, "I formed the India alliance. If those leading it cannot manage it properly, then give me a chance. I'm ready to lead the alliance from Bengal itself." This comes amid the widening cracks between the India alliance just after 6 months of the Lok Sabha elections result announcement for 2024. This goes on to show the once claiming to be extremely united and one India alliance, the very basis of their formation was to come together, the coming together of the opposition, which now doesn't seem to be true. RJD has increased calls for Lalu Prasad Yadav to take over as the India alliance chief and to lead it from the front. Meanwhile, TMC chief Mamata Banerjee has claimed that she is the one who even came up with the idea of India alliance. While there is no statement on this from the Congress chief Mallika Kharge Arjun or the Congress Mallikarjun Kharge, or the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, we're waiting to see what their response to this will be. Mamata Banerjee has in fact also said that she can lead the India alliance right from Bengal itself. She also said that if the people who are meant to lead the alliance cannot take over the throne, then she can easily do it. This comes after a controversial claim that she made, which was that she was the mastermind behind the idea of the India alliance. Riyanka from New Delhi is joining us to get us more on the story. Riyanka, tell us, what is this rift looking like? India alliance was thriving on the idea of the opposition being one, but now their idea has completely failed. We see Mamata Banerjee and Lalu Prasad Yadav fighting over it. Do we have any other statements or insiders? Please get us the scoop.
We have absolutely seen that there has been a rift between the India alliance, not just today, but time and again on several issues. The India alliance, which wanted to rather come together where all the opposition parties had joined hand, it has always been the fact that TMC has kept a step forward and another way a step behind when it comes to several other issues. There have been a clear divide in the India alliance with TMC's presence in several of very key issues. But on the other hand, the race to lead the India alliance has already begun, and that is where a rift can be seen. TMC Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, she has a desire of leading the India alliance since the very start of the formation. She says that it was her, she was the mastermind of the India alliance. That's when it got taken forward. On the other hand, the RJD wants Lalu Prasad Yadav, as he is a very senior leader of the party, Lalu Prasad Yadav, to lead the alliance. On the other hand, if we talk about one of the key reactions coming in, West Bengal state in charge of Congress, Ajay Rai, had come out and clearly given his support for the Congress party, saying that it was the Congress party that had given a life to the India alliance. It was the Congress party that led the India alliance since the very start. And all of these statements coming together at this point in time clearly shows a clear rift amongst the members of the India alliance. And on the other hand, we have already seen how there has been a criticism, a flag drawn by the BJP over such a rift and divide that takes place when it comes to the India alliance at several key issues. So what will happen next is something that needs to be seen. whether the leadership of the India Alliance will remain with the Congress party, or whether Mamata Banerjee and Lalu Yadav in the race to the run up to the to leading the India Alliance, whether or not either of them will be taking the lead, that is something that is speculated and needs to be seen.
Right, Priyanka, thank you so much for getting us the details. We will keep on to the story as and when it develops. But for now, moving on. Cracks in India Alliance have resurfaced with... Oh, we also have other reactions coming in on the same story. Take a look.
असं आहे की ममता बनर्जी एक या देशाचे फळं नेते आहेत, त्यांच्या किती क्षमत आहे. आज देशाच्या फायद्याविरोधी त्यांनी जे लोक निवडून पाठवलेत ते अतिशय कर्तव्यगार, जागरूक आणि कर्तव्य, त्यामुळं त्यांना म्हणण्याचा अधिकार आहे. असं आहे की ममता बनर्जी एक या देशाचे फळं नेते आहेत, त्यांच्या किती क्षमत आहे. आज देशाच्या फायद्याविरोधी त्यांनी जे लोक निवडून पाठवलेत ते अतिशय कर्तव्यगार, जागरूक आणि कर्तव्य, त्यामुळं त्यांना म्हणण्याचा अधिकार आहे.
No, Mamta Didi is an absolute integral part of the India Alliance. She's one of the tall leaders of India. And in a vibrant democracy, there's a very big role and responsibility for the opposition. So clearly, if she wishes to take more responsibility, we'd be overjoyed.
No, it is for the India Alliance to decide. There are at least 10 parties in the alliance. And Congress is an all India party, whereas Mamata is a state party. So in her state, she can lead the alliance. I don't know what the other parties decide. It is for the alliance to decide as to who should lead the...
Suddenly making these kind of statements.
No, she is willing to lead because she thinks that she can root BJP out. Her intention is to root BJP out. That much I can take up. But whether will be fit will be decided by the alliance, not by any individual party.
नहीं, राहुल गांधी तो अब भी इंडिया गठबंधन के नेता नहीं. राजनीति में कोई साधु संत तो बन के आते नहीं, सब पद चाहते हैं और वो ये देख रहे हैं. संभवतः उन्होंने इसलिए कहा होगा कि चाहे लोकसभा का चुनाव हो चाहे विधानसभा के चुनाव हो, कांग्रेस ने कहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म कर नहीं पाया. कहीं अगर लोकसभा के चुनाव में इनकी सरकार है, हिमाचल प्रदेश में 4 की 4 सीटें हार गई. इनकी सरकार तेलंगाना और कर्नाटक में है, वहाँ भी आधी सीटें हार गए. अगर वहाँ भी ठीक परफॉर्मेंस हो जाता और मध्य प्रदेश में, छत्तीसगढ़ में 1 सीट नहीं जीते तो आज मोदी प्रधानमंत्री होते ही नहीं. तो संभवतः ये लोगों में चर्चा रहती है कि हो सकता है कि नेतृत्व में परिवर्तन किया जाए, लेकिन मैं इसमें पचड़े में पड़ता नहीं. इंडिया गठबंधन है, ठीक है और रहना चाहिए. बिना गठबंधन के इन तिकड़मी लोगों को हराया नहीं जा सकता.
कांग्रेस इंडिया गठबंधन जिस तरीके से कांग्रेस ने चलाया है और हमारे नेता आदरणीय मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, राहुल जी, प्रियंका जी, इन लोगों ने जिस तरीके से सबका समायोजन करके किया है, दूसरा कोई नहीं कर सकता. और निश्चित तौर से कांग्रेस एक बड़े भाई की भूमिका में और सबको साथ ले चलने की भूमिका में हमेशा काम किया है और कांग्रेस ही आगे लेकर चलेगी.
Keeping on to the same story, cracks in the India Alliance have resurfaced with Mamta's statement on leading the Indi bloc, dividing the alliance. SP MLA Abu Azmi also said that SP will consider separating from the Mahavikas Aghadi over Uddhav Sena's stance on Babri Masjid. With strong differences, will India Alliance be able to keep its bloc together? Watch this report to get to know the details.
Cracks in India Alliance have surfaced once again. Mamata Banerjee pitched in to lead the bloc, and Mamata's statement split the alliance leaders. The Samajwadi Party said Mamata's leadership would strengthen the alliance following back-to-back poll losses in Haryana and Maharashtra. And NCP Sharad Pawar too said Mamta is certainly capable.
असं आहे की ममता बनर्जी एक या देशाचे नेते आहेत, त्यांच्या किती क्षमता आहे. आज देशाच्या फायद्यामध्ये त्यांनी जे लोक निवडून पाठवलेत ते अतिशय कर्तव्यवान, जागरूक आणि कर्तव्य, त्यामुळं त्यांना म्हणण्याचा अधिकार आहे.
The Congress voiced its opposition. On the other hand, the RJD said former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Yadav was the real architect of the Indie bloc.
जैसे ही कांग्रेस पार्टी महाराष्ट्र और हरियाणा में चुनाव हारी है, तब से किस प्रकार का डिवीजन सामने आ रहा है इंडिया अलायंस में, इसका एक और प्रमाण जो आदरणीय ममता दीदी का बयान अब सामने आया है, जहां पर उन्होंने कहा है कि जो नेतृत्व है इंडिया अलायंस का, जाहिर सी बात है वो कांग्रेस की बात कर रही है, कांग्रेस से हो नहीं पा रहा है, राहुल गांधी से हो नहीं पा रहा है, राहुल गांधी नेतृत्व नहीं दे पा रहे हैं और वो कहती हैं कि एकजुट नहीं रख पा रहे हैं, और अगर उनको अवसर मिलता तो वो सबको साथ में लेकर चल सकती है.
NCP Sharad Pawar faction Supriya Sule said that they would be overjoyed if Mamta wanted to take more responsibility.
No, Mamta Didi is an absolute integral part of the India Alliance. She's one of the tall leaders of India. And in a vibrant democracy, there's a very big role and responsibility for the opposition. So clearly, if she wishes to take more responsibility, we'd be overjoyed.
But this wasn't the only cause of discord. SP MLA Abu Azmi was so upset over Uddhav Sena's stance on Babri Masjid that he said SP is even considering separating from the Mahavikas Aghadi. Republic spoke to Abu Azmi.
ये अलायंस सेकुलरिज्म के ऊपर हुआ था. उन्होंने कहा था 30 साल तक हम जिनके साथ थे हमने गलती किया था, अब हम कांग्रेस के साथ, एनसीपी और समाजवादी सबके साथ में रह करके सेकुलरिज्म का काम करेंगे. तो हम साथ में उनके थे, लेकिन अभी दो एक तो ये इनका ट्वीट आया कि बाबरी मस्जिद को शहीद करने वालों को बधाई, मुबारकबाद, खुशी मनाई जा रही है, जबकि हम उसको ब्लैक डे मानते हैं. जबकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि बाबरी मस्जिद को शहीद करना एक क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी थी, लेकिन सजा किसी को नहीं हुई है. अब हम जिस चीज़ को भूल चुके हैं, आप हमारे घाव को हरा कर रहे हैं और हमारे अलायंस में आप हैं. मैं समझता हूँ ये सांप्रदायिकता, फिरका परस्ती है. समाजवादी पार्टी ऐसे लोगों के साथ कभी अलायंस में नहीं रह सकती.
ममता बनर्जी कह रही कि अगर उन्हें मौका मिला लीड करने का, इंडिया गठबंधन को, तो लीड करने को तैयार है. तो क्या आप लोग भी तैयार है उनको ये मौका देने के?
ये तो अखिलेश जी तय करेंगे. मैं तो महाराष्ट्र के लेवल तक बात कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ पे कोई सुनवाई नहीं हो रही, बात नहीं हो रही. अब इसमें मालिक तो अखिलेश भाई हैं, मगर मैंने उनको मैसेज दे दिया कि सर ऐसी इशू पे मैं अलग हो रहा हूँ. वहाँ से कोई जवाब मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला.
Reacting to Abu Azmi's statement, Sharad Pawar, however, said the Samajwadi Party's central leadership is firm on opposition unity. While it's not the first time that cracks in India have surfaced, the question is, will the alliance be able to keep together with all its differences?